Welcome to Pakistan, a land of breathtaking natural beauty and diverse resources. From majestic mountains to lush valleys, Pakistan is a treasure trove of nature's wonders. Mountains Pakistan is home to some of the world's highest and most spectacular mountains, including the Karakoram, Himalayas, and Hindu Kush ranges. Visuals of K2, Nanga Parbat, and other iconic peaks. The Karakoram range is home to K2, the second highest peak in the world, while the Himalayas boast iconic mountains like Nanga Parbat. Valleys Pakistan's valleys are just as stunning, with the Hunza Valley, Shigar Valley, and Thar Valley offering breathtaking scenery. Visuals of Hunza Valley, Shigar Valley, and Thar Valley. The Hunza Valley, often called the Switzerland of Asia, is famous for its fruit orchards, snow-capped mountains, and picturesque villages. Rivers and lakes Pakistan's rivers and lakes are vital sources of water and beauty. Visuals of Indus River, Jhelum River, Lake Saif ul Malook, and Lake Manchar. The Indus River, one of the world's longest rivers, flows through Pakistan's heart, while Lake Saif ul Malook in the Kagan Valley is a stunning example of natural beauty. Deserts Pakistan's deserts, including the Thar Desert and Cholistan Desert, offer unique landscapes and wildlife. Visuals of Thar Desert, Cholistan Desert, and camel safaris. The Thar Desert, shared with India, is home to vibrant culture and wildlife, while the Cholistan Desert offers breathtaking sunsets and camel safaris. Natural resources. Narrator. Pakistan is rich in natural resources, including minerals, coal, gas, and oil. Visuals of coal mines, gas fields, and oil refineries. The country has significant deposits of copper, gold, and iron ore, while its gas and oil reserves fuel the economy. Wildlife Pakistan's diverse wildlife includes iconic species like the snow leopard, markhor, and Indus dolphin. Visuals of snow leopards, markhors, Indus dolphins, and other wildlife. The country's national parks and wildlife sanctuaries protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Narrator. Pakistan's natural beauty and resources are a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Let's work together to preserve this stunning heritage for future generations.